Today we're going to be talking about the latest findings regarding spending on IT and business process outsourcing, BPO, services, which has dropped sharply during the first quarter of this year. According to figures released by the industry monitoring organization ISG, the global contract value for IT and BPO services totaled $24 billion, a 8% decrease compared to the same period last year. The decrease in spending can largely be attributed to slowing demand for cloud services. According to ISG, during the first 3 months of this year, spending on cloud-based services fell 13% to $14.3 billion, a sharp contrast to the record high total recorded a year earlier. Meanwhile, more traditional IT services such as managed services were up 1% at $9 billion. Steve Hall, president of ISG, offered insight on market trends. On the one hand, we saw record high actual contract value in the managed services sector this quarter, fueled by continuing demand for applications and engineering services, a clear sign that ongoing digital transformation is alive and well. On the other, the cloud services market has seen its blistering growth slow considerably in recent quarters as enterprises slow the pace of migrations and look to optimize existing workloads in response to the uncertain economic environment. ISG found that of the more traditional services such as IT outsourcing, there was a 7% increase in spending to $6.8 billion, driven by growth in application development and maintenance services. There were also 703 managed services contracts signed during the quarter, including 8 mega deals, worth more than $100 million each. Cloud services spending has now seen a decline for the past 4 quarters, with IaaS, infrastructure as a service, falling 16% to $10 billion and SaaS, software as a service, spending down 4% to $3.9 billion. The main reason for the decline, as stated by Hall, was that enterprises are focusing on optimizing the cloud-based services they have already committed to, rather than adding new workloads to the cloud. In light of these figures, ISG has lowered its forecast for cloud service spending growth in 2023. Hall noted that the decline in cloud services is expected to last through the second quarter of the year, but should start to pick up later in the year when macroeconomic conditions improve. So there you have it, a summary of ISG's latest findings regarding cloud service spending. It seems that the current market conditions are forcing organizations to optimize existing services rather than invest in new ones. However, it is important to keep in mind that this trend is only temporary, and that the market should start to rebound as the year progresses.